Hey guys, so welcome to this first video, and I don't know what happened, so the voice didn't record, so I'm doing voiceover on the bike. So yeah, let's go. So today I'm going to go on a solo ride and I'm going to just explore the places around. Like I've seen one or two small trail-like places and like small off-road patches around my neighborhood. So I'm going to go and explore today. So let's see what we find. Let's skip the road so then you guys won't get bored. Around here there's a left turn and there used to be a lake here. Okay, so next to the lake there's one road that goes around to another area. I have no idea what it is, but it's fun. So yeah, I just realized that this is the first time I'm going to all of these places. So the lake is on the left side, and that's where I used to do off-roading before they made it all nice and approachable for people who like to walk and not like to racing and jumping and all that nonsense. So I'm going to go in the right side when there's a bad road and I don't know where it will take me. So let's go. See trash and all everywhere. Like I think this is some place where the deviant and all like to dump all the trash. So almost every patch on the road, left or right, there's like loads and loads of trash. So I don't know if it's sanitary if I fall, but let's take the chances. I have confidence I won't. At least this is it. If I on these speeds, yeah, I don't mind. If I go a little faster, I don't think I can do 100%. Man, I wish there was sound on this video. Like it sounds so good while riding like this. I'll try next time. So after this road, I reached another place. It was like a school of some sort, and around that there was some construction mud or something, which was fun to ride around. And while doing that, since I've not had a clamp between my silencer and exhaust pipe, it kind of got popped out. So I had to hit it with a rock. So I cut that part out. Other than that, this is fun jumping all over the dried mud and all that stuff like this. And most of the part I cut out here because time pass. So after this, the actual what do you call it? Exploring starts. So once I'm done with this time pass, I'll show you. This phone mount I've built, right? I think I have to tighten the clamping mechanism of the phone mount because it keeps on loosening up and like moving around, like how you see the phone is becoming kind of slanted now. Got stuck here. You put your light balance and push through with the throttle, it will go over anything. That is that. Just have to have the right mindset to do it. So here the trail starts exploring new territories. I'm going wherever this route takes me. I don't even know what this is, where it is, and you know what happens next. Wait and watch. So I go around this tree and like I come back to the same road it followed because it was going underneath the tree and I couldn't go with the bike. And then I noticed a small patch, okay. It's like a small dip in the grass and I realized it's a small stream and if I went in that the bike wouldn't have come out. Luckily, I realized there's a bridge or something like that on the way, and I go around it. Close call, man. If I had put full throttle and ripped through his place, I would have gone stuck inside that. No one would have helped also. So, like, be little careful when you go exploring like this, and yeah, don't trouble the cows like you see if you'll be sitting around, right? Because they'll start chasing you, and you'll get scared. And grassy areas and all, you'll slip and fall. You come and hit your bike and you and all that. Don't get it all. That's all I can say. It's happened before, so warning you guys. These cows must be enjoying all of this grassy land. Like normally we all dry in the summertime. Everywhere there's grass. Like imagine you're sitting in a whole land full of food, free food. Lucky cows. So I guess I've reached one side of the place where there's a dead end. I'll have to take a U-turn, I guess, somewhere around here. Since there's nothing around, and I think only wall is there. Almost fell here, almost. And I was disappointed, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try again. No falling and all that. If I go wrong once, I'll try one more time. So yeah, ripping the throttle and turning again, and successful. Nice it is. Like you can rip the throttle and practice when there's grassy places and there'll be moisture and all the soil and the grass. So it will nicely spin around when you put throttle. So it's fun. I recommend like this kind of stuff you can practice in this place. But you should see first how the soil is, what kind of place it is. Don't do it in this kind of unknown territories. At this point, actually, I forgot which side I came from. But like, I knew that was the side, but like, I was not sure. Okay, and I was kind of confident that this side will make me reach back to where I came from. Not going through the routes I went through. So I went and I opened the compass, and I was just seeing because I checked on Google Maps before, so I was able to understand north, south, and all that. So I opened the compass and I was checking. I think it was west 300 where I came from, so I went the opposite direction, and I was pretty sure because it takes me back to almost the starting point of the lake. So I was not sure about it, but I was kind of confident that I'll go back. So this is the first time I used compass to navigate myself, and it was quite successful, like you can see. But going across the whole terrain was difficult at the later point. You'll see I was kind of struggling with my bike because it's like lots of ups and downs. I don't know what they used to fill this land up. It used to be a lake, I think, last 10-15 years back. So all these areas, like you see here, it's all difficult to go. It's all skidding and not picking up a lot of traction because it's all wet and moisture and all that. Yeah, somehow I get through this, and actually got me surprised since I've actually come back to the starting point, and it got me very excited. See here, somehow I start seeing the track where I came from, and I was like excited that I came back and I was able to navigate myself, but it was frustrating because the whole ride and the whole experience is over. But yeah, nice short ride today, but I'm hoping I'll go in longer rides and maybe vlog the whole thing next time too. The first time I actually made a proper vlog using the camera last 2-3 years. I don't know, guys, tell me if you guys like it. I'll make some more like this if you enjoyed it, and I'll try to include the audio next time. This music stuff. I don't know if you guys like this kind of music. Let me know, but it makes my mind ache, man. I don't like this kind of uh, voiceover music kind of thing. I like raw proper throttle sound, exhaust sound, and nature sound instead of all this voiceover and all this EDM music around. So yeah, this is the end of this video. If it's on YouTube, I'm not sure if I'll upload it. If it's on YouTube, like it, subscribe, share. I don't know, man. I'm not into all of that cloud chase, but yeah, do what you feel like, which is share it with your friends.